Go to the Downloads folder and extract the ffmpeg.zip to any folder you want. Wait for it to extract. Now head to folder where is extracted. Rename it as ffmpeg and open it. Open the folder named as bin. You will see 3 executable files there, but you need not open them and they will not open even if you try directly. Copy the path to these files. Now search environment variables and open it. Head to user variables and click on path and click on edit. Now click on add and paste the path you copied. Hit OK and close it. Now if you followed me then it should have installed. Open command prompt and type ffmpeg and hit enter. It must not raise an error. Let me know in comment section if it worked.
लाइक कमेंट शेयर कर दे। फालतू कुछ कर पसंद नहीं है।